Sums on circles, that is question number 3. In the figure, xy and x dash y dash are parallel tangents to a circle with center O, and another tangent AB is with the point of contact C intersecting xy at A and x dash y dash at B. That means these are the two parallel tangents. This is a circle with center O, and there is a tangent drawn which cuts the other two tangents at A and B and touching the circle at C. We have to prove angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay. Now, x dash y dash are two parallel tangents given to the circle O. Tangents AB touches the circle at C and cuts the tangent xy at A and xy and x dash y dash at A and B. Okay. Prove that angle AOB is 90 degree. Okay. Now, in the figure, we join OC. Okay. We join OC. In triangle OPA and OCA, AP is equal to AC. Because tangents from the external point A, they are equal. Okay. And OA is equal to OA common, and OP is equal to OC, radii of the same circle. Okay. Therefore, two triangles are congruent by SAS congruency rule. Yes. And SAS congruency rule. Then angle 4 is equal to angle 5 CPCT. 4 is equal to angle 5, this one, CPCT. Then 4 is equal to 5, then it is CPCT. Then similarly, triangle BOC and triangle QOB. Angle 1 is equal to angle 6. Therefore, 6 CPCT we get again by CPCT, because these two triangles are also congruent, because QB and BQ and BC, they are the tangents from the external point B. They are equal. OB is equal to OB and OQ is equal to OC. Therefore, two triangles are congruent by SSS. Therefore, angle 6 is equal to angle 5. Angle 1 is equal to 6. Angle 1 is equal to 6. Now, angle 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 180 degree. Why it is 180 degree? Because this is the straight angle always 80 degree. So 4 is equal to 5. Just now we have proved earlier. That means 2 of 5 I can write. Angle 6 is equal to angle 1. Then I can write 2 of angle 6. 2 common, both the side is equal to 180 degree. 180 degree is equal to 180 degree. 2 cancel. Then we get angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 90 degree. Then we get angle 5 plus angle 6 is equal to 90 degree. That is angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Circle sums are very, very easy. So you just use the common sense, that is tangent from the external points to the same circle, they are equal. And so this is a very, very common thing. Here question number 4. Two tangents from the external point TP and TQ are drawn to a circle with the center O. then from an external point T. Prove that angle TPTQ is equal to twice of angle OPQ. Is equal to angle to OPQ. Now this is the angle. Let the angle PTQ be theta. And since it is an isosceles triangle, since it is TP and TQ are the isosceles triangle, so it will be the base angles are always equal. So angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP. Yes. Therefore, angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP is an isosceles triangle. Yes. And angle, therefore I can write they are equal. So if one angle is theta, other sum of these two angles are 180 minus theta. So each angle will be 90 minus theta by 2. Each angle will be 90 minus theta by 2. Yes. Again, now triangle TPQ is equal to, in angle TPQ is equal to angle TQP, isosceles triangle. Then they are equal. Since they are equal, the isosceles triangle base angles are always equal. So I can write twice of angle TPQ. Twice of angle TPQ. So twice of angle TPQ is that is 90 minus, this is twice, then I divide it by 2. Therefore TPQ is equal to 90 minus TPQ is equal to 90 minus theta by 2. Therefore angle TPQ, this is TPQ, this is again angle TPQ. Here I'll write here, 1 minute. This is till here we have explained. Angle TPQ plus of angle OPQ is equal to 90 minus 90 degree. OPQ is 90 degree. Okay, this is 90 degree. Then I find angle OPQ. This is OPQ. So angle TPQ. Then we have to prove that TPQ and PTQ, they are PTQ theta is equal to, I have to find out, that is 90 minus 90 degree OPQ TPQ, 90 minus theta by 2. Sum of these two is 90. Then I'll write angle TPQ. Just now I have found that is 90 minus theta by 2 plus of OPQ. OPQ is equal to 90 degree. Yes. So 90 will be cancelled in both the sides. Therefore, angle OPQ is equal to, theta is, what is theta? Angle PTQ by 2. This is by 2. Therefore, implies twice of angle OPQ is equal to angle, OPQ is equal to angle is equal to angle PTQ. I'll explain you once again. These are the two tangents drawn from the external point to the P and Q. And PQ is the chord. Yes, we have to prove that angle PTQ is here and is equal to twice of angle OPQ. OPQ is here. The angle made by the chord of that point, a chord which has connected by the point of contact, connected is, and the radius. Two tangents TP and TQ, they are drawn. So it is an isosceles triangle. Let angle PTQ is equal to theta. This is theta. So obviously this angle is 180. These two angles, sum of these two angles is 180 minus theta. Sum of three angles of a triangle is 180 minus theta. So obviously this is 180 minus theta. Sum of these two is 180 minus theta. So each angle will be 90 minus theta by 2. 90 minus theta by 2. Each angle. But angle OPT is 90. Because radius at the point of contact is always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay. Then it is 90 degree just now here. Therefore, angle OPQ plus TPQ is equal to 90 degree. OPQ, TPQ is equal to 90 degree. So that means TPQ is what? Just now we have found that is 90 minus theta by 2 is equal to OPQ. OPQ, I'll leave it like that. Okay, is equal to 90. 90, 90, both the sides cancel. Therefore, OPQ is equal to, it will go this side, that is angle PTQ by 2. So, twice of angle OPQ, I'll write it clearly, twice of angle OPQ is equal to PTQ. Follow?